Good morning, friends. This is Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? I want to welcome you to my channel. I'm doing this video and hopefully it'll be a little bit quick before I go to work today. And I don't think my voice is awake yet, so please excuse that. And so let's get on with it. I'm here to do this giveaway to share the happy mail that Maria sent to me. That's Maria from Maria's Miscellany. And so, like, I've been cleaning up my craft room, and so I had Maria's happy mail sitting, and I needed to put it away, so I divided it up, put my stuff away that I'm going to keep, and then put some things in here. This is a little envelope that Maria made out of wallpaper. I put a few things in here, and you can see I packed it full, if you can see how bulky it is right here. It's pretty bulky, and so this is going to be a giveaway. And it's going to be U.S. only. And you have to be 18 or over. And so I will just get on with it. I'm going to do something a little different this time. I just had this idea probably maybe last night or this morning. I'm not sure. I just had this idea and I thought that would be different, you know, and cool. So what I'm going to do is the first one that emails me that wants this package from Maria's Happy Mail will get it. So the first one from the U.S. that's 18 years or older. You have to be a subby and like this video. And leave me a comment too. I don't want to have no comments below this video. But leave me a comment. And, you know, that person will get this package. And I'll give you a little sneak peek. All kinds of good stuff. But I want it to be a surprise. Let me show you that little sneak peek inside. You see there's a bunch of stuff in there. Yeah. So, but for the most part, let's see what you can see. Oh, yeah. Anyway, that person will get this package. And so below this video is my email. There's a little section under all my emails that says connect with me here. And then, you know, that's where my Etsy and my Twitter and my Facebook and my email is, and other whatever else is there. So just look for my email there and email me something like, I saw the video about the giveaway and I would love to win Maria's, you know, part of Maria's Happy Mail. So just email me that, something like that. And so let's see what else. And you will win this package, and I'll let you know you are the first one. Whoever, you know, is the first one, I will email you back and let you know you're not the first one, or you are the first one. And then, you know, then you'll win this package, and then you'll need to send me your address, email me your address, if I let you know you were the first one to email me. So I thought that would be a fun, quick little giveaway. You don't have to draw it out, you know, for a day or two. And, you know, I can get this in the mail right away this week. So let's do it. Let's try it. I've never done this kind of giveaway before. And the only person that I've seen doing a giveaway, something like this, was one day, quite a while ago now, right, Maria? You, Maria, my friend, she, I was listening to one of her videos one day, and she said the first one to comment under the video will get a little, you know, something from me in the mail. So I did that. I happened to be the first one to listen, you know, comment. I saw there were no comments. So I was like, oh, cool. Maybe I can be the first one. And I commented, and I did. I won something. So anyway, that kind of, you know, I remembered that. And so this is probably where I got that idea. The first one to email me today for a Happy Mail. It's not commenting, it's emailing. So make sure you email. It's not the first comment. It's the first email. Okay? So just go ahead and email me. Now, if you do not win, if you're not the first one, I think it would be only polite for me, you know, to email you back and let you know you weren't the first one, but just so you're not hanging out there wondering what's happening. And I could come back and I can comment. I'll also comment under this video in case I don't get to all the emails right away. I will, you know, because I got to go to work today. So if you're not the first one, you know, to email me, I will also comment under this video, you know, who the winner was. So if that's okay, I think that sounds cool, right? Something different. So go ahead. That's it. And I'll let you go. Everybody have a great day. Happy crafting. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.